All right, this is pork belly, if you've never seen it before, right? And this is what they make bacon out of, right? You can see that. They make thin slices out of it. Oh, man. And we're cutting this pork belly up into smaller pieces so we can easily remove the pork skin on it. We don't want the skin. We just want the layer of fat and meat underneath. And here we're cutting the pork belly up into bite-sized bits, right? Maybe 1 to 2 inches, whatever you consider bite size. Here we're putting on some olive oil. Yeah, man, this is gonna be good. Here we're adding some rub, and use your favorite rub. Of course, we're gonna use ours, and we're gonna load it up good. Oh, yeah. This looks good enough to eat already. Now, you could do this a few hours beforehand or maybe overnight. It's up to you. But we're going straight to our Colossus smoker. And we got the smoker set at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit because we're doing some low and slow. We want to really tenderize this pork belly, right? All right. Oh, yeah. Nothing to do now. Kick back and wait. All right. These bites have been on this smoker now for a little over 2 hours, right? Now we're going to make them the Pit Boys pork belly bites. You got to check this out. We're adding maybe a 1/4 pound of butter in there. It's up to you. We're also adding some honey. And the idea here is to make them candy. Make them sweet, tender, maybe a little bit of heat. We're adding a couple of bottles of our barbecue sauce. Use your sauce. We've got some hot sauce there. Kick it up a bit. You set this up the way you want. Here, of course, we're adding some whiskey. Makes it good. Give it a good mix. Oh yeah. You get hungry or what? We got some beans going on here, and we're going to show you what we're going to do with those. Now we're wrapping it in some aluminum foil. Throw it back on the smoker, and we'll go for maybe another hour or so. And this is going to help tenderize those pork belly bites. Oh yeah, chicken and poop. All right, about an hour has gone by, more or less. All right, now we're going to pull the aluminum foil up. Mix the beans. Woo-wee. Now, and in the miracle of time, because you got no time to waste now, do you? We're going to ladle off some of the excess liquid. You may or may not have to do this, but that'll help you get real candy. I say it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Now, we're going to add these to our homemade beans. And we'll give you a link to those beans in the description below. All right? But we're using our pork belly bites and our homemade beans today. You can tell the chickens are looking forward to that. Right. Lord have me.
On the ground, been surprised that the chicken. I got my barbecue.
Now, of course, you can eat these pork belly bites as hors d'oeuvres. Throw them in the beans like this. They're excellent in the beans. You definitely got to check this.
Gonna throw up some legs and get some.
So the next time you're looking for an easy barbecue recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.